It's me here back with another video. I really don't know how to film this video. I'm going to try and figure it out, and my room's looking a little messy. Let's just ignore that. I'm gonna get in the shower, do my hair, makeup, get dressed. I'm actually going to a book signing. My mom has books out, and so she has a book signing today at 2. It's about 11:30, so I have a little bit of time to get ready. And yeah, this video should be going up on Wednesday, so you guys will see it a little bit afterwards. But if you guys have me on Snap, then you will see my snaps from today. So make sure you guys add me on Snap. Here's my Twitter, my Instagram, and my Snapchat. And yeah, I'm getting out of breath, so let's go. Okay, I just thought of something, so while I'm waiting for the shower to warm up, I'm gonna try to figure out what I'm wearing today. Sorry, I'm like looking away, but the lady says that it's supposed to be diva casual, so cute, but not too dressy, but not too casual, so we're gonna try to figure it out. I have no idea what I'm gonna wear, you guys, so let's hope I find something, because my mom doesn't want me to wear jeans, but I really don't have anything else. I guess I can wear a sweater with leggings. This is kind of cute. Let's see. Where are my leggings? Guys, I can't find my leggings. Okay, once I find my leggings, I will be back and I will get in the shower and then I will talk to you guys later. So I'm finally out of the shower. Fun fact, I take pretty quick showers. Like, it doesn't take me long at all. I'll just wash my body. I'm not washing my hair or my face in the shower, so yeah. Okay, so I'm out of the shower now. I'm all dressed. I didn't want to film that, obviously, but I'm going to do my hair first. I have my Hicks Edge Control, and you guys have seen this on my channel before. It's just like this. I just wanted to film this get ready with me because there's a couple things that I want to address. The first being school. So today is January 6th and I go back to school on the 28th. If you guys don't know, I go to Salisbury University. I'm kind of feeling a little bit stressed out about school because my schedule this year is going to be so hectic. I'm taking 4 classes and I'm taking a lab plus work, and then I have RA training on Wednesdays. So Monday I have my history class. Monday and Wednesday and Friday are pretty chill. Monday I just have 1 class at 5:30, and then Tuesday though I have 3 classes back to back from 9:30 to 1:45. Then I go to work at 2:30, and then Wednesday I just have the 1 class at 5:30, but I also do have my RA training. I think it's at 7. So hopefully I can make it in time because I'm going to be rushing. I'm going to be hungry. I'm going to be just getting off of work. So hopefully I'm able to do that. I'm kind of not looking forward to this semester just because it's so hectic and I have a lot that I have to get done. If you guys don't know, I'm a sophomore in college and my major is community health. I'm a dance minor. I'm not taking any classes for my minor this year. For dance, I took jazz and modern, and I still have to take ballet, and then I have to take dance appreciation, which is like a textbook class, literally. And then I have to teach a dance class. I'm not taking any dance classes this semester. I didn't take any last semester either. So that's, I guess, good because that's going to make me even more tired from dancing every day. I'm also going to be inducted into Eta Sigma Gamma. It's my health honor society for my major, so that's on February 11th. I'm being inducted. I probably will vlog that just so you guys can see. But yeah, you guys see how easy it is for me to do my hair like this. It took me literally like 2 seconds. I normally just take the edge control and I do my baby hairs and I lay it with my scarf so that I can do my makeup. Yeah, so like I was saying, it's gonna be a really stressful semester. I can already tell. I got through this semester with straight A's, so hopefully I can do that again. I'm not sure though because I'm taking anatomy 2. I took anatomy 1 and I also took anatomy 2 already, but I failed, so I'm gonna have to retake it. And I guess it'll be easier since I already know the information. Oh, I'm looking at a mirror, by the way. But I guess it'll be easier because I already know the information, kind of, sort of ish. But yeah, that's like my 1 class I'm not looking forward to. All my other classes are pretty straightforward. I just have English, history, and then I have a class called drug ed for my major, and then I just have anatomy. So those other 3 classes aren't going to be hard. My anatomy is definitely, I know, is going to be my struggle class too, but I'm looking forward to getting it over with because I've had to retake it. I have to retake it and I really don't want to. Take my scarf and put this on. And I don't know if you guys saw not my last video, 2 videos ago, 2 videos ago I did my New Year's resolution, and I said that I have a tutorial on this hairstyle, so I'll put it in the cards for you guys so you guys can check that out. And today I was supposed to go to, my brother actually proposed to his girlfriend, now fiance, a couple weeks ago. Well, no, it was probably about a month and a half ago, and I was supposed to go to his engagement party today, but we ended up not going. So I'm just here, which is kind of good because then I can go with my mom to her event. But I was really looking forward to that, but that's okay. It's all for a good reason. I don't do much for my face. I'm just going to actually fill my eyebrows. I'm using this NYX liner. Okay, so the next thing that I want to talk about is YouTube. And you guys know I freaking love YouTube. I keep seeing leaves like blow by, and I'm thinking it's like a roach, not a rodent or something. But yeah, I'm sitting in front of a window, so there's like a lot of stuff going on, and I'm kind of getting a little distracted. Yeah, so you guys know I freaking love YouTube. I love watching YouTube. I love doing YouTube videos. And one of my goals for this year is to film a lot more. And honestly, I didn't realize how much free time I have. Like, I would always make an excuse like, oh, I don't have time, or oh, I don't know what to film. But there's so many videos that I can film. Like, this is one video. I was laying in bed. I was like, you know what? Let me just get up, put the camera on, and film and get ready with me. It's an easy video. One thing that I want to start doing this year more is vlogging. And I just got a camera for Christmas. If you guys didn't see my what I got for Christmas video, I just got a camera, so it motivates me more to film when I have a good quality camera. When I use my phone, I kind of feel like not a good YouTuber, I guess you could say. I just feel like using my phone, I don't have the equipment to be like good and stuff. And that's honestly not, like, that's not it. So it's definitely not a good excuse. It's not an excuse at all, and I shouldn't have any excuses. But one thing that I want to do is do a college vlog. I don't know if you guys are interested in that, but that's something that I really am interested in doing. Is it just me, or is one eyebrow easier to do than the other? Because I can never do this eyebrow. Like, it's so difficult for me. I don't know why. So for my YouTube channel, I feel like it's growing so slowly but then quickly at the same time. Like, I get mixed feelings about it. Like, I've been doing YouTube for about a year now. Well, okay, I started YouTube last summer of 2016, before I went to college. I wasn't really posting consistently. Like, I would post once a month or once every 3 weeks, or, you know, not consistently like how I should be. So I wasn't really gaining like subscribers like that. And then this past May in 2017, I started posting consistently. I actually stayed at school for the summer. I was an RA over the summer, so I stayed at school and I filmed like literally almost every day. And I put out, like, it seems like I didn't put out that many videos, but I put out a lot. The majority of my videos were put out during the summer. During the summer was my most viewed video, which is my Fashion Nova video, my Come Cook With Me video. That's when I started to gain subscribers. I had 100 subscribers and I jumped all the way to like 300 or 400 by the end of the summer. And then of course when school started, I stopped posting consistently. It's really hard for me to post at school. At least I thought it was. It was really hard for me to post at school because I just felt like I didn't have time to do anything. But come to realize now, like, the times that I'd be sleeping and not doing much, I could be posting. And honestly, I'm going to, because this is something I really love to do. I have a camera now, so I'm definitely more motivated. It kind of upsets me how my channel grows, and I'm very grateful for everybody that's subscribed to my channel. Like, I really thank you guys a lot, because it takes really hard work to post a video. People don't even understand, like, videos take like an hour to an hour and a half to 2 hours to film. Like, depending on what it is, it'll take me a long time to film it, to get the shots that I want, to get the, like, basically get the clips that I want. And then I have to upload it onto my laptop. Well, I have to import it to my laptop. It takes like 30 minutes now just to import a clip to my laptop if it's over like 5 minutes. So then I have to do that. Then it takes me like 2 to 3 hours to edit, depending on how complicated I want the video to be. And then once I finish editing, I have to take a thumbnail if I didn't already take one, or if I can't find a screenshot from the video. And then I have to edit the thumbnail, and then uploading takes like 45 minutes. So in total it takes me like I would say 4 to 5 hours to produce just one video. And it was kind of upsetting me that like I was posting consistently and people weren't subscribing, and I don't know if that's because the content I was posting people didn't want to see, but then like I would get thumbs up, so I was kind of like confused. And then like I just wasn't sure, so I was kind of like confused, like, okay, is YouTube what I really want to do? Like, what is going on? And so I came to realize that the problem was that I wasn't posting consistently, and obviously school is a lot. I was working really hard to bring my GPA up this semester, which I did a lot. Now I know that posting consistently is the key, but the only thing is like the last video I posted before I posted my Christmas haul was in November 1st, which was my skincare routine. And between November 1st and the time I posted that Christmas haul 2 days ago on Wednesday, well, 3 days ago on Wednesday, I gained like 300 subscribers. Like I didn't post anything. I don't know how people were finding me, but I gained 300 subscribers. And I was like, wait, like it doesn't make sense. Why am I gaining subscribers and I haven't even posted anything? But I realized that my Fashion Nova video actually got like over 20,000 views now, so those people were subscribing. That's the only video that they saw from me, and so they were subscribing from that. But I was just like, wow, like I'm gaining, like there's really no point of me, not saying there's no point in me posting, but like why do I need to post if I'm gaining subscribers like crazy? And so when I posted the Christmas video the other day, I actually lost 5 or 6 subscribers. And I'm like, okay, so why are people coming up to me, like tweeting me or snapping me saying post a new video, and then when I post a video I lose subscribers? Like, I really didn't understand that. But like I had to come to the realization that this YouTube numbers thing, it's like crazy. Like, you could post a video that you didn't think was going to get any views, and it gets like 1,000 something views. Like my Come Cook With Me vlog, I did not think that video was going to get over 4,000 views. I didn't even think it was going to get over 100 views, but it's almost at 5,000 views. I'm just like, okay, they like my cooking vlogs, and I'm like, okay, they like my review videos for my Fashion Nova video. So like the YouTube numbers thing, it's just crazy. I get upset sometimes. I see YouTubers that literally have like 2 or 3 videos and they have 2,000 subscribers. I see YouTubers that have 5 or 6 videos, they have 10,000 subscribers. I'm like, I have 30 something videos and I only have 700 something subscribers. And like I said, I'm so grateful for everybody that's subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all 700 of you that have subscribed, that are loyal, who watch my videos, who like my videos, and who comment and everything like that. But I don't know, I kind of just get upset sometimes, but I need to realize, sorry, I'm like looking at the mirror. I need to realize that like this is a journey and this is something that I chose to do. I love it. Like, I'm not a big YouTuber, obviously you guys know that, but I'm trying to be as professional, as consistent as I can be, so that you guys enjoy my content, so that YouTube brings in more people to my channel. So one of my goals for YouTube, once I get a little bit bigger, I actually want to help others. So I've seen videos of like helping the homeless, giving back to drive-through waiters, like stuff like that. That's something that I really want to do. With that being said, please guys, leave comments under my videos with video ideas, video suggestions, whatever you guys want to see. I'm honestly willing to do it. Like, as long as it's not crazy or illegal or like costs too much, then I'm willing to do it. I have so many video ideas in my mind. I also have a list on my phone, so make sure you guys comment those things down below, because it really does help me out. I'm like, okay, if I see what you guys want to see, then I'll be able to bring that to you guys. Like, I don't have to think, will they like this? Like, is this something that you guys are interested in? So definitely leave comments down below. And if you guys do like my videos, then give them thumbs up. I do really well with the thumbs up, and I do check those. So the videos that have the least thumbs up, I know, okay, maybe they don't want to see that. And honestly, it's really not about that. Like, it's about what I'm happy with. It's about the content that I want to produce. But again, I do this for you guys, so yeah. And yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.